morning, everyone.
What is your name?
My name is Kaushik. My name is Kitashree.
Which class are you studying?
I am studying nursery A2.
What is your school name?
My school name is Abhinav High School.
How old are you?
I am 4 years old.
How many fingers have you?
10 fingers.
Where is our school located?
My school located Pambirai Road,
Which is our district?
Khammam,
Which is our state?
Telangana,
Which is our country?
India.
Who is the father of the nation?
Mahatma
Who
Gandhi,
is our chief minister?
Revanth Reddy,
Who is our prime minister?
Narendra Modi,
What is our national animal?
Tiger,
What is our national bird?
Peacock,
What is our national flower?
Lotus.
How many letters are there in alphabet?
26 letters,
How many months are in a year?
12 months.
What is our correspondent surname?
B.B. Ramna Sir,
What is our director madam name?
Aruna Madam,
What is our principal ma'am name?
Deepika Madam.
What is our class teacher's name?
My class teacher name is Savitri teacher, Namasri teacher,
Who is the president of India?
Draupadi